What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's time for a Cardano ADA price prediction, end of 2023. This price prediction done by artificial intelligence. So we're going to dive into this one in this video. Don't forget to smash the like button. If you're new around here, consider subscribing to the channel. We're talking about crypto. We're talking about altcoins. We're talking about altcoins. We're talking about macroeconomic factors, Bitcoin. We've got you covered. We're here every single day for you. So would mean a lot if you subscribe down below. Let's dive in. Cardano AI predicts ADA's price for the end of 2023. So here we go. Shout out to Vinod, by the way, over at Watcher Guru for the article. Vinod's a great guy. I get to talk to him from time to time. Cardano's attracting bullish sentiments this week, and we could see that. It's up 12% in the last 24 hours. Altcoins, by the way, are moving and grooving right now. Bitcoin's back up over 28,000. We'll see if it lasts. ADA briefly touched 40 cents last month, retraced, falling to 38. Therefore, questions arise if the altcoin can ever reach $1 here by the end of the year. Well, let's see what AI has to say. You can see the chart there, what we've been doing here recently, and that looks really nice on a nice little uptrend. So what will ADA's price be at the end of 2023, according to AI Tech? The latest banking crisis, of course, has boosted Bitcoin's price above 28,000, making the top 25 cryptocurrencies reach new weekly highs as well. And according to a recent price estimation from CoinCodex, considering the market volatility, ADA could climb above its resistance of 40 cents in the next few months. So the machine learning algorithm predicted that Cardano could reach 49 cents by the end of 2023. That's an uptick of nearly 30% from its current price, right now at 38 cents. The on-chain metrics and price prediction firm has forecasted that Cardano could breach its resistance of 40 cents during Q3 of 2023. Now, you can see here what could happen in the future. So the forecast suggested Cardano might go above 50 cents by the end of the year as well. Therefore, ADA reaching $1 remains to be out of question. So, excuse me, the forecast suggested Cardano might not go above 50 by the end of the year. So basically, they're saying in or around 50 cents is kind of their best guess right now using AI Tech. The price estimation uses technical indicators such as RSI. They've got the MACD, moving averages, average true range, and Bollinger Bands. So, of course, a lot of things can change, right? But these AI price predictions are very interesting, and they're only going to get better and better. So I like to continue to kind of showcase them and see how they play out. But here in the short term, Cardano is going to, move very slowly. We know that. Cardano's not a very fast mover. I'm not looking at Cardano as a short-term play. It's one of my top holdings personally. Of course, that's not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. But for me, Cardano is a long-term play, given what they're building, given their real-world use case. I look at them as more of an enterprise solution for companies, for big governments. So that's kind of how I see ADA, and I'm planning on holding this for 5 to 10 years. Okay, now I know a lot of people don't want to hear that. A lot of people just want to have altcoins that are going to make them rich in the next bull run. I think Cardano could have a major run in the next bull run. It might not be the 100x that you're looking for, but whenever you're going for those 100x, 200x, there's more risk associated there. So always weigh your risk appetite. And I like to diversify. That's the thing. I like to make the bulk of my portfolio Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then after that, another chunk of other top 100 altcoins, or maybe altcoins just outside the top 100. Then I go diving into the low cap gems and try to find some of those that could 100 to 200, 300x, right? So appreciate you guys as always for stopping back by the channel. Let me know how you guys are feeling about Cardano, up 12% right now at the time of this recording. Loving the price action here from some of our favorite alts. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.